Hello, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper. In this video I'll show you how to transfer files. Since this tab does not have any SD card slot, the one way to transfer files is simply uploading or downloading them from your Google Drive. In order to do it, make sure you've got your Google account connected with your tab and go to Drive app. If the drive is not downloaded, you can download it from Play Store. While the drive is downloading, I'll show you how to transfer files from USB stick. Right here we've got typical USB-C external drive, simply connected via USB-C port on your tab, and now go to Files app. Your external device should be visible at the bottom of the list. Enter it, and now you can copy stuff from your pen drive to tab, and in reverse. Now let's go to Google Drive. To transfer files to Google Drive, tap plus in Files. Now select Folder, Upload, Scan, Google Docs, etc. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.